Can I check my Visa Metabank debit card balance online?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about how you can check your Visa Metabank debit card balance online. It's essential to know your card balance to manage your expenses better, and thankfully, you can do this easily from the comfort of your home.
What do I need to check my balance online?
To check your balance online, you will need your Visa Metabank debit card, your online banking login credentials. If you have not set up your online banking yet, you will need to do that first. Contact your bank for specific instructions on how to set up your online banking. Once it's done, you can proceed with the following steps.
How do I check my balance online?
Here are the general steps you should take to check your Visa Metabank debit card balance online. 1. Go to Metabank's website. Navigate your web browser to Metabank's official website. 2. Log into your account. Look for the Login button, usually found at the top right of the page. Click on it, then enter your username and password. 3. Navigate to Accounts. Once you are logged in, you should be able to find a button or a tab labeled Accounts or something similar. Click on this. 4. Select your debit card. Your accounts linked with Metabank should be listed here. Select the account associated with your Visa debit card. 5. Check your balance. Once you've selected your debit card account, your balance should be displayed on the screen. Please note that the exact procedure might vary slightly based on the bank's website layout, but the overall process should be similar.
Can I check my balance on my mobile device?
Yes, you absolutely can. Most banks have mobile apps that you can download and use to check your balance. To do this, download the Metabank mobile app from your device's app store, log in with your online banking credentials, and follow the same steps as described above. It's that easy. Checking your Visa Metabank debit card balance online is a simple and convenient way to stay on top of your finances. With just a few clicks, you can get real-time updates about your account balance from anywhere. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. As always, if you have any trouble or need more detailed assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Metabank's customer service. Stay savvy with your finances, and until next time.